Organizations have to continue to operate despite the current pandemic. They have to address several issues to ensure that their staff and their customers remain safe. They need to be very sure that persons suffering from a fever are detected and isolated. The person could have a fever when they first enter the premises or at any time during the day. For this, IQ Fever Check, the world's first automated fever detection system. It reduces costs by reducing the number of people required to man the thermal stations by up to 95%, or at least a 20-time saving. Organizations must ensure that people maintain appropriate social distancing even while they are performing their normal operational duties. The social distancing system helps monitor the distance between individuals in their facility and raises an alarm if regulations are breached. Some organizations have rules about wearing masks or other personal protective equipment and have to ensure these rules are obeyed. An alarm can be raised when an individual does not follow the rules. Organizations have to find a way to provide staff with access without forcing them to touch keypads, fingerprint readers, and other devices. IQ Access is a contactless, multi-factor access control system where none of the factors used for authentication involve any contact. The system is accurate and fast. If even one person is found to exhibit a fever, it may be necessary to evacuate an entire section of the facility. The IQ evacuation system can ensure that every single person is accounted for and not a single person is left behind. All these systems are automated, greatly reducing operational costs. Each application can operate independently, or they can be part of a total integrated anti-contagion system. Wildfaces' mission is to help industries to use Wild AI technology as the core of their AI foundation platform on which they can build more use cases automating their manual processes. Wild AI has pioneered visual AI for drones, walking robots, and wearables. Wild AI uses hybrid AI approaches based on the founder's 70 international patents addressing crowded and complex real-life situations, such as the crowded railway stations and airports. Wildfaces topped Gartner's list for the most comprehensive industry use cases twice, and its proven 300 plus AI modules have been successfully deployed in 75 smart cities.